Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Portugal. Portugal is located in Europe, west of Spain, and borders the North Atlantic Ocean. It is the westernmost country in Europe. Portugal is one of the world's most globalized and peaceful nations. Over the past 2 decades, successive Portuguese governments have privatized many state-controlled firms and liberalized key areas of the economy, including the financial and telecommunication sectors. Let's move to the main points. Why form a company in Portugal? Portugal is an exciting country for budding entrepreneurs looking to form their Portuguese company. The most popular type of Portuguese companies are private limited liability company, public limited company, shareholders company. Portuguese private limited liability company. When registering a quota company in Portugal, the name must contain the word limitada or the abbreviation LDA. A quota company requires at least 2 shareholders. There are no restrictions as far as their nationality. The corporate entity is responsible for any company liabilities. There is a minimum capital investment of Euro 5,000. Portuguese public limited company requires at least 5 shareholders unless one of the shareholders is the state. In this case, only 2 shareholders are needed. The corporate entity is responsible for any company liabilities. Members have limited liability to the value of their subscribed capital. Portuguese shareholders company. A minimum of 5 shareholders are required. This can be reduced over time. The minimum social capital is 50,000 euros that can be paid in cash or kind. It has only to have 1 shareholder. The minimum registered share capital is Euro 1 and 50% of contribution in cash. What is a limited partnership in Portugal? A limited partnership is formed by minimum 2 partners. At least one must be journal and has full liability for the company's obligations, while the other one will have limited liability and must deliver capital to the partnership. What is a journal partnership in Portugal? A journal partnership also have 2 partners with full liabilities in the firm. They are equally responsible for making decisions in the name of the entity. What is an EIRL in Portugal? Another form of business establishment with no requirements for share capital is the company with a single shareholder. The founder of such company is liable with his personal assets for the entity's debts. Articles of Association. The Articles of Association are the company's main documents needed for company formation in Portugal, which contain complete information about the name of the company, the name of the shareholders and their nationality and the country of residence, the future activities of the newly opened company, the responsibilities, the transferability of shares, the voting rights of company, etc. Incorporation procedure in Portugal. It is mandatory that the name of the newly formed company in Portugal is checked at the national registry of the collective entities. If the name is available, it can be reserved for a period of 48 hours if a fee is paid. Also, a pre-approved name can be elected from the RNPC database. Steps in opening a company in Portugal. Verify the business name and make a reservation with the Portuguese Trade Registrar. Appoint a legal representative. Draft the Articles of Association with full information. Open a bank account for depositing the minimum share capital of Euro 5,000. Apply for licenses and permits in accordance with the company's activities and register for tax purposes and social contributions in Portugal. Self companies in Portugal. If you would like to skip the formalities of opening a company from scratch, the best option in this matter is to purchase a self company, also known as a ready made company. Can you establish a branch in Portugal? Yes, companies from abroad can rapidly establish a branch in Portugal which can run under the rules of a limited liability company or LDA as it is known. Can you establish a subsidiary in Portugal? Yes. Foreign enterprises can set up subsidiaries in Portugal. Just like in the case of branches, these can be formed as limited liability companies and a minimum share capital of Euro 5,000 for a private entity and Euro 50,000 for a public LLC. Economy overview in Portugal. Portugal's economy is mainly based on agriculture, tourism, and trade. As a matter of fact, Portugal is an important partner in international trading. Besides, Portugal is well known for its production of cork, oak, and olive oil. Thank you.